Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Tenaj Nikki, and today you are coming with me while I'm going to be shopping. I plan on getting my pantry together, and it's a big project. So there are other things I need to get. I also need to go to the Dollar Tree and shop and stuff. So I'm just taking you on a wild road to wherever I'm going. I do have a plan though. I'm going to show you guys my list in a second for the things that I know I need to get, and then I almost never stick to that list. So if you guys can check the fit. Excuse the room. I'm going to be doing a clean with me later because my studio is wrecked right now. But yeah, check me out. See the fit. Like I said, I'm gonna head out, and where's my little list here? I wrote it down, but I'm gonna put it on my phone so I can make sure that I keep up with it. Because do you guys do that? Like, you write stuff down and then you don't take a piece of paper with you? That happens to me like almost every time. I don't know what that's about. I think I'm gonna go to Costco because I need coffee pots, some begging strips for my little doggies, dryer sheets, toothpicks, some Epsom salt. I'm completely out of that, and butter. So I think I'm gonna go to Costco first, because that's probably like the biggest adventure to go on, to go into Costco. And if you guys don't know what Costco is, it's just like a warehouse that has everything on the planet, and it just all the stuff, everything. Oh, and I absolutely have to go to the Dollar Tree because I gotta get some stuff for a DIY that I'm doing, and because I'm gonna decorate the whole house. Christmas is going to like vomit in here. It's gonna vomit everywhere in the house. Because this is my first Christmas in this loft that I have here, and I don't know how long we're going to live here, but I do know that I definitely want the holiday spirit to be all through this place. We're going to go to Dollar Tree and Costco and maybe somewhere else. I don't know, but yeah. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you're subscribing. So let's head out. Everything is kind of everywhere where I'm at. I live in North Atlanta, and soon, within a year or so, I hope to buy a home. It probably won't be in the same neighborhood because houses out here, whoo, pretty penny. But you guys ever find like a shopping area? This will always be a shopping area for me, no matter how far I live away. Yeah, this is a cool shopping area. Guys, so we have made it to Costco, and my plan is to get some of the stuff to fill out the pantry here. Like I said, they kind of have like everything, so we'll see like what I can see, but for the most part, yeah, I'm just gonna go here and then I'll probably head over to Dollar Tree. So let's go in. Oh, you guys see that wreath? That wreath is $45. I'm going to attempt to recreate something really pretty like that for maybe half that price. Storage keepers. You see, it's only 30 bucks in here. This one is normally 59. You get 9 in here versus 6 over here. These all look like fresh seal lids too. It says Baker storage ones. Now let's see what else they got. Oh, these are the cereal ones. That's what they look like. Trying Let me see. I have cereal ones at the house. They aren't that cute. For a long time, I went for functionality versus how it looked, but I care about how it looks too now. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get these guys because it's vacuum sealed and everything. Yeah. All right, there it is. This is something I want to show you guys. Look how they have whole sinks in here. Like, they have complete things for, like, if you're building or finishing or changing up your home, you can get things like that for much cheaper than if you were to, like, order it online or something. It's all because of the Costco membership. So you can get all kind of cool stuff in here, and it kind of goes all the way up. These turn any place into like a real daylight thing. It changed the complete look of my home. So yeah, I need another one. What I'm showing you guys here is the holiday blend K-pots that I get for from Starbucks. So it's what's in their coffee when you're getting like a special holiday drink. It only comes around that time of year. I normally get the Pike Place that you see right there, but I try to get this when it's there because I do enjoy it. And you see also I'm motivated by price because the Pike Place is $38 while that is $30. So it is technically cheaper, but again, it's a really nice like fruity blend almost that I get. So I enjoy that a lot. And I'm showing you guys here the, I think you say praline. I don't know, those are fantastic with your coffee. You can get giant cans of it. And Costco is known for having all of their like cookies, and I plan on actually baking cookies this year, so that's why I didn't pick that up. But they have these wonderful gift sets that I'm showing you. I don't normally get stuff like this because I enjoy making it, but you can get it for $24 and it's a really good gift set. More of showing you just all the other stuff that they have. You see there's oat milk there. Behind there's like Corona beer. It's like just everything. And yeah, it's those big things of cranberry juice and banana nectar. Like, it's even the healthier things that you don't think might be there. You can get them in large quantities at this store. I am pretty selective as to what I buy, even though it may be a good deal. I don't want to be wasteful, so like a giant thing of maple syrup, I'm not picking that up. Now, this extra large bag of pretzel chips covered in white chocolate and peppermint, yeah, I'm definitely getting that. That's gonna go in the pantry for sure. You guys lose your car? I lose my car every damn time. Every time. Alright. Let's see. Gotta do the lipstick check because, you know, it did move a little bit, but it'll be alright. Okay, so you guys saw, that's Costco. I'm there about once or twice a month. It's a $60 membership to shop here. I said, like that Starbucks, you can't get a deal like that, like online or anywhere else. And that's not the only coffee I drink. I'll show you guys my coffee bar because I have to restock it and kind of reorganize it a bit and clean it up and whatever. Yeah, I'll show you guys that. So now I'm headed to Dollar Tree, one, to get some DIY stuff, see if there's anything else left for organization. Yeah, so we're headed to the Dollar Tree now. Alright, made it to Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in. Now this Dollar Tree disappoints me time and time again. There's no reason why it should be like this meh, because it's such a shoppy area where there should be enough. There should be enough stuff in here to where I'm like, this is my place. I'm coming here all the time, but it's not. So hopefully they have like their Christmas stuff out. I honestly think that this place has been understaffed for a long time, so they just don't have everything they're supposed to have. But yeah, we're gonna head in and I'll see you guys on the inside. Okay guys, so already I see a bit of a score. These are some Christmas tree skirts and the little mini Christmas trees, you know. I got these already in white, but I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 more because I'll probably put these in different areas of my place. I don't know how I feel about these. Like, they're cute, but it's kind of a kitschy, if that makes sense. I just don't have that kind of a desire to have that kind of kitschy Christmas, if that makes sense. I do like it to be a little stylized, if you know what I mean. Oh, I love these berry picks. Let's get the silver ones. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. Yep. So I'm going to get a couple of these. That's going to go on the wreath. Now, to be honest with you, I don't get all my stuff from here like that. It's going to be nice for the wreath. Now, this is going to be a little DIY that I'm going to have a lot of fun with. I'm going to get this little dollhouse and turn it into a Christmas house to have on display. You guys, it's going to be so cute. So I made it to the organization section, and I'm definitely going to need these for my labeling. I do have like an old school labeler. I may have to handwrite some stuff, so that'll do. Okay guys, so I think I got everything that I'm gonna get from here. Got a few things here. For some reason, I could not find any Epsom salt. That's like what I really came here for. I tend to get it from here, but I might have to go to Target to get it from there. But I didn't find everything I wanted to in this store. But I'm gonna have to go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's to get other pieces to like fill it all out. But I'm still really excited with the other stuff, and I can't wait to show you everything I got going on here. So I'm about to head home. Alright guys, so this is my dumping ground for when I have bought stuff, and you can see I've done quite a bit of shopping these past couple days. A lot of it is in preparation for this pantry organization, and some of it is DIY stuff for decorating. So it's a lot. It's a lot. And one of the cool things I wanted to show you was my coffee station that I have already. So, oh, actually it's telling me I need to add more water. But I have this coffee tree, or this pod tree, and also this. And that's not full, although it looks pretty full. But it's not full. That's why I got the holiday set from Costco there. And this is the coffee bar. Oh, let me get that bowl out there. But this is the coffee bar. So I'm going to be redoing this for the holidays. And that's kind of the artwork and the different things I have going on there. And also that is my wine rack that I don't really change that much, but I have what I call my good cheap wine in there. I don't really care if it's expensive or not. I just want it to taste good. I'm going to kind of clean up, get organized. I'll show you guys a little bit of like me cleaning my room, because my studio is, It's bad. I don't usually let it get that bad, but it's pretty bad right now. So I'm gonna clean that up, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. This is the result of my little desk cleanup. And you can see, I can see my floor again. Yeah, it was, it was pretty bad. And that is the little box there with all of the stuff I intend to make DIYs with. So yeah, it's been a pretty long day. I will give you guys a room tour, I think right before the holidays or as I'm decorating, because yeah, I'm gonna have leftover decorations. I'm already sure of that. So they'll bleed into this room, and I will give you guys a beauty room tour at that time. So if you like content like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what was your favorite part of my big adventures today. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you do subscribe, so you're notified of everything I have out here on YouTube. And also share this with a friend. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.